Hey guys, welcome to Yardie Belly's Kitchen. This is Candy the wifey, and today I'm doing my own spin on the Jamaican traditional turn cornmeal. I love that dish to, gone to bed. And it's also known as polenta in certain cultures, but yeah, we call it turn cornmeal. So I have some ingredients prepared to the side that I'm planning to include in the dish, and it's simply, I have some thyme, a little pepper, very minute amount of scotch bonnet pepper, some green onions, otherwise known as scallions, some tomatoes diced, and about a half of a white onion. I have some bacon that I'm going to add to it, and I got that idea from Cook Like a Jamaican on YouTube. Big up to her. Butter, cornmeal of course, coconut milk, and pretty much that is it. So I'm going to go ahead and add to my pot a little oil. And this is a blend of extra virgin olive oil and sunflower oil. Just distribute that evenly to the pot bottom. And I'm going to just add the bacon to the oil and stir fry it some. And once I stir fried, I'm going to add all the other seasoning ingredients to the pot. Very lovely aroma going on here. Almost immediately I'm going to add the coconut milk. And this is about 1 full cup of coconut milk that I'm adding. And I'm going to allow that to come to a boil. But I'm going to add some black pepper and just a little black pepper and a little salt for flavoring. And I'm going to allow that to come to a boil, and then I'm going to add the other ingredients. So stay tuned. Yeah, so the pot has come to a full boil, and I am going to add for flavoring about 1.5 tablespoons of margarine, and I'm going to just stir that in. And almost immediately I'm going to prepare my cornmeal to be added, and we don't add the cornmeal dry, we add some water to it, because if you try adding this dry to the boiling water, it's going to be very lumpy. So I add about a cup of water to that and just mix it in properly. Yeah, maybe just a little more. Yeah. And make sure that you stir almost immediately as you add this to the boiling water, so that you don't get it too lumpy. So you just add and stir simultaneously. Okay. As you can see, it's properly and very nicely incorporating. Looking very silky and very smooth. And you're going to just turn your pot down, turn your fire down at this point, so that it gets a chance to simmer nicely and the cornmeal gets a chance to cook. And you're just going to taste it to see if it's, make sure it's not tasting too floury at that, That will be your indication that it's ready to go. So I'm going to leave it, I'm going to cover it for a few minutes, and then it should be ready. Alright? Okay guys, so here we have it. The polenta or the turn cornmeal has been plated and it looks beautiful, and pretty much it can be eaten alone, especially since I added some bacon to it. It could have been eaten alone, but today I'm going to take it over the top of it and I'm going to serve it with some escabeche fish that I already did earlier today. So I'm going to just add to the plate this lovely fish. And this is a goldfish that has been fried and escabeched. And I'm just adding some of the escabeche sauce on top of it. So there you have it. The turn cornmeal being served with escabeche fish. Do try the... So be sure to try the recipe, guys. It is a nice alternative, a healthy alternative to eating rice and all of that other stuff, the starchy stuff that we eat every day. So always my pleasure taking it to you from Yardie Belly Kitchen. Stay tuned until our next video. And the recipe for the escabeche fish will be in the description box, so be sure to check that out, okay? Peace.